7 comma 5 times 10 to the power minus 1 plus 5, which is equal to 7 comma 5 times 10 to the power. What is minus 1 plus 5? What is
1
minus
minus
1
5
plus 5?
minus 4.
Minus 1. Minus 1 plus 5. When the signs are
Minus
different, you
4.
subtract. When the signs are
Minus
different, you
4.
subtract. When the signs are different, you subtract and take the sign of the bigger number. You subtract normally
Okay,
5
yeah.
minus 1 d4. Saka answer
Yeah.
ndiani?
Before. Before.
D4 answer. Why? Because remember takati tina minus 1 plus 5. Panapa, we said we can rearrange if we keep the original signs. Ndoa kuti 5 minus 1 izvakafanana izvo.
Yeah.
You see? Mm.
Mm.
So this is going to be our final answer. 7 minus 5 times 10 to the power 4.